In terms of YouTube ads for affiliate offers, that can work very well. You just have to be a little bit cautious of how you can actually track conversions. And so we've actually set up a way for affiliate offers and how to make sure that, like, let's say you're not promoting your own course, webinar, product or service or whatever it is. If you're promoting an affiliate offer, there's two ways you could do it. One is ideal, right? The ideal situation is you have some type of, partnership with that affiliate program such that you can actually track conversions. And some affiliate programs will let you do this. And so you send the YouTube ad to the page, and then they go to the thank you page, and then you can kind of inject that conversion pixel on the back. So some, ClickBank products, some, JVZoo or whatever it is, allow you to do that. Others don't. So if you do have the ability to do that, or if you have, especially if you've established an actual JV or affiliate relationship, then you're golden. That's perfect, right? Because what that means is you can actually just run the YouTube ad to the page. You can track all of the conversions and just optimize as you normally would. And it's just, you're treating it the exact same way that we would any other client because you have access to that data of who's converting. Now, we've actually had people really scale that up massively. We've had people who are high ticket affiliates, literally have like $1 million a month, right? With these high ticket affiliate programs where they're having somebody else do the delivery, but they're doing a lot of like the webinar and stuff like that. It's just, these are like hundreds of thousands of dollars, in one case, like over $1 million in a month. So you can really scale affiliate offers up well. Now, the downside is, let's say you have affiliate products that don't allow you, or affiliate offers that don't allow you to actually put your conversion tag on the back end. It's also the same thing applies, right? If you're sending somebody to like a black box effect, kind of like, if you're sending somebody to Amazon, even if it's your own product. The problem there is you can't put that conversion pixel in, so you can't actually see, who actually opts in from your ad. And so what you want to do in this case is we put in an interstitial. So you're building your list at the same time, you're getting these conversions, then you're sending people to that affiliate offer. So we've worked with affiliate marketers to do this, right? Send it from a YouTube ad to a squeeze page that you own on ClickFunnels. You get them to opt in to get access to this exclusive offer, whatever the offer is that you're promoting as an affiliate. Not only are you going to be able to track conversions based on people who opt in, and then obviously send them off to the product, but you're also capturing their name and email address to put them into your own email CRM so you can sell them more affiliate offers in the future. So that's the second way you would do that. If you can't send it direct to the page and have your own pixel, or your own Google tag actually is what it's called. So Google tag installed on that page, then what you would do is you would go over and you would send them to a page that you own, you can track, you can actually capture their information and then send them off to that affiliate offer.